Hever Castle is famed for being the childhood home of Queen Anne Boleyn. Now you can explore this stunning property from the comfort of your home. Our subscribers have been given the key to rooms and areas of the castle that have never been open to the public before. Our curator has allowed exclusive access to the Hever archives to show you objects that have never been on public display, including exquisite portraits of Anne Boleyn. Get a better look at items normally kept behind glass cabinets and allow us to tell you about the weight of history behind each object. We will speak to experts and historians in videos, podcasts, and in articles so that you can find out more about the lives of the many fascinating people who called Hever home. You can choose from 3 tiers of subscription and can join and leave at any time. We will take down the visitor ropes, allow you to take in every detail of our extraordinary artifacts, and we will allow you to see how we maintain and preserve the Hever collection so that future generations can treasure them. Take a journey with us inside Hever Castle.